Hell yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna do some laps at the main track here. And just to give you guys some context, this is the jump that I crashed on. I cleared it, but I landed completely sideways, and I landed on my knee first, and it was not pretty. Oh, there we go. It looked like I broke my knee. Fucking terrified me, but I was, for the most part, okay. You know, I sat out for 5 months, but I didn't need surgery or anything. And I'm still kind of rolling everything right now. Or overcome my fear and get my confidence back on the jump that I crashed on. And it's probably a little bit early for that because I still have like fucking traumatic flashbacks every time I hit it, but let's try to override that today with everything within my power. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna kind of hit it a little harder this time because I've just been kind of rolling it. Ooh, okay. I didn't make it, but I got some air. Woo! I'm gonna do this section right here. I'm doing it. Fuck it. I'm hitting it. Oh, beautiful. So let's try and hit this one again. Oh. Ow. Oh my god, that is wet as fuck. Here we go. Follow the rut all the way. There we go. Beautiful. Whew. Woo. Hell yeah. Here we go, another one. These guys are sending it. Look at that. There's some pretty big jumps, man. Probably not on GoPro, but in person they are. Alright, I'm back at the main track again, and I think I'm gonna start doing some hard laps. So here we go. Everyone else seems to be having the time of their lives. So I'm not gonna ride at 100%, but pretty damn close to it. I'm really feeling it now, and I'm excited. And this tabletop is getting full sent. Woo! Woo! That was a bit sketch. I'll say it once and I'll say it again. These kids are lightning fast, dude. They will be faster than you so quickly. Bet you money he's gonna send all of them. Bet you money, yep. Sent that one. Look at him go, holy shit. Let's practice some cornering. Let's hit this rut right here. Slow, slow and steady. You really got to commit. I find that hard too. I'm extremely out of shape after being off for 5 months. Oh man. All right. So my last video, looks like my camera was a bit low. So hopefully at the level that it's at, it's much better now. Full send. Woo-hoo-hoo! Fuck yeah, I love that jump so much, man. if you don't squeeze on these braking bumps with your legs, you are instantly going to get tired. Downshift, beautiful. I'm really trying to get the hang of downshifting and brake tapping. Oh, that looks so cool. Hell yeah! Oh my god, brake tap! Holy shit! This is so much fun. Oh, how I've missed this. 5 months away from a dirt bike is way too long. Downshift in the air, beautiful. Oh my God, the wind! Oh man. God, I know I can do this triple, but I'm probably not gonna do it today. Okay, so today we are going to be attempting the 100-foot uphill triple. I'm feeling good about it. I know I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it once. If I don't make it, cool. And if I do make it, cool. I'm not gonna keep trying it. So that is that. Okay. Oh my God, my heart is racing right now. Okay, 4th gear. I'm gonna roll this one right here. I gotta clear this one right here. Woo! Fuck yeah! Oh my God! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh my God! I might have to do that again. Okay, 4th gear, 4th gear. Here we go again. Fuck yeah! I am back! I am back, and I have all my confidence back. Hell yes! I feel incredible right now. Maybe a little brake tap in the future, but I'm not trying that today. Oh, holy shit. Alright. About to hit the triple one last time. Everyone's been egging me on to do it, so I'm gonna do it. Peer pressure at its finest. A good peer pressure, though. Okay. I'm in 4th gear. Woo! Fuck yeah! Oh my God! That is so scary, dude. What? Heck no. Oh my God.
We're back here, man. You can tell you're full. We can't see you, but you were full command. I know. You know, land a little shorter on that tabletop so you have more.
And my arms are starting to give out again. I'm so out of shape. Like, I shouldn't be pushing this hard. Today has been quite an eventful day, if I say so myself. Barely been on the track after being traumatized with an injury. Already got 100% of my confidence back. And just sent one of the biggest jumps available on the East Coast. Oh God, that was a bit short. over me. All right, it is about sundown, and we're gonna do our last lap before we get forcibly kicked out off the track. Oh my God. That is a deep rut. Downshift in the air. That rut is rough, man. I don't know how the hell these pro riders do it. God, these braking bumps, oh my God. For the love of fuck, give me a break. This gets worse every time. Okay, last time doing the section and I'm off. What an eventful day it's been here at NCMP, guys. Oh boy, overshooting. What a day it's been, man. doing this section one more time and then I'm done. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I had enough for one day. Oh my god. I don't even think I have enough energy to load my bike. What a day. What a day it's been. Well, like I said, this is my first video. To what little people are watching, I hope you enjoyed. Probably gonna be mostly friends. So thanks. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.